आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे जानवी कपूर की लेटेस्ट नेटफ्लिक्स रिलीज गुंजन सक्सेना द कारगिल गर्ल के बारे में। ट्रेलर से मुझे इस फिल्म से कुछ खास उम्मीद नहीं थी, बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट द प्रोडक्ट हैज टेकन मी बाय सरप्राइज। Gunjan Saxena is a war hero, and it's a privilege to know her story and her struggles. Janvi plays Gunjan, a Lucknow girl who decides at a very early age that she wants to become a pilot. Despite being a biopic that evokes patriotic sentiments, this particular film doesn't just rely on chest thumping dialogues or aggressive background score. This is the reason why it's different than other war films. It's about the hero who saved 1,000 lives during the Kargil war, and yet, the war that the film primarily highlights is the war of gender divide. कहानी बहुत ही सिंपल और रियलिस्टिक वे में दिखाती है कि पेट्रियार्की, सेक्सिज्म और मिसोजिनी के चैलेंजेस को किस तरह गुंजन सक्सेना ने ओवरकम किया। ऑन द सेम पेज, द फिल्म ऑल्सो ह्यूमनाइजेज अ लॉट ऑफ दीज सबटेक्ट्स। व्हेन अ ब्रदर सेज लड़कियां पायलट नहीं बनती, दैट इज सेक्सिस्ट, बट ही ऑल्सो केयर्स फॉर हर सिंस शी हैज ऑलवेज बीन अ प्रोटेक्टेड चाइल्ड. Or how a senior officer gets irritated by her presence in the all-male academy shows how men thought in the 90s, but also tells us that their job is to protect the nation and not provide gender equality. It's beautiful when the lead character of the film doubts herself, when her hair doesn't fly like a glamorous doll, or when her dialogues are subtle and very smooth. These little things go a long way helping the film. The writers Nikhil Mehrotra and Sharan Sharma have written a very unheroic film, shutting down the unnecessary overplaying. Sharan, who is also the director, makes sure that the motive of the film remains the same throughout. The film doesn't lose its grace to flag waving and jingoism. The dialogues are very well written. The camera work could have been slightly better, since that department had ample scope of making the film look spectacular. Janvi Kapoor as Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena is very good, but not good enough. Her performance was well restrained, but was slightly inconsistent. She was best in scenes where she was required to be subtle. Her eye speaks volumes, and I hope she clings on to this trait in the future. Even after being the titular hero, she plays a character that gets disheartened after all the bullying, which makes Gunjan Saxena even more believable. Pankaj Tripathi as her father has given one of the best supporting performances ever. He plays a modernized father who is a more bankable figure for her than her brother. Tripathi owns the scenes and has the best dialogues to complement his exemplary screen presence. Angad Bedi plays the brother and Vineet Kumar Singh plays Wing Commander Dileep Singh. Both these characters are a reflection of the society we live in. Though it's the 90s in the movie, but it's 2020 today and men still aren't accepting women in male-dominated fields. And the film wins exactly here. The film reminds the society of its flaws and doesn't go overboard with pseudo-feminism. At one point, Janvi questions herself whether she is betraying the nation because she doesn't want to fly because of a patriotic urge. To which, in a low-key manner, Tripathi says that the Air Force doesn't need cadets shouting Bharat Mata Ki Jai, but officers who just do their job honestly. Amidst these scenes, the film soars high and proves its point. My overall rating for Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, would be 3.5 out of 5 stars. The film is now streaming on Netflix. Watch it and let me know your views in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you.